Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can shorten links or URLs using the bit.ly link shortening service free of charge. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, but we'll get to the technicalities just in a second. So let's get started right away. Now, in the first step, head over to bit.ly.com, log into your account. If you haven't done that yet, guys, you can sign up free of charge here on bit.ly and keep your free membership and upgrade to your premium membership later to gain access to benefits and bonus features. But shortening links on bit.ly is entirely free. So let me show you how it's done. Log into your account. And what you want to do next, guys, here on your home screen is click on that blue Create New button in the top left corner. Now in the following, bit.ly will ask you whether you'd like to shorten a link or create a QR code or create a landing page. So let us go with the first option, create or shorten a URL. This is going to open up that page here for you. Now, according to this information here at the top, users with a free membership can create up to 1,000 links free of charge and shorten them, which is actually quite a lot. So what you want to do first, guys, is head over to the destination page you would like to shorten the URL for. So let me go with, I don't know, let's say, for instance, with Instagram.com for demonstration purposes. You may use any website URL you like for that, as long as the content you share through your shortened link is not related to any immoral or illegal stuff, of course. So let me go with Instagram.com for demonstration purposes. Copy the URL, head back here to your account on bit.ly and paste the URL here where it says destination. You may add a title below, but doing that is optional. And what you want to do after that, guys, is customize your shortened link by giving or by signing to it a custom backup. Doing that is not mandatory and you absolutely don't need to do this, but some people out there claim that shortened links with the customized backup tend to perform better and to collect higher conversion rates. But at the end of the day, it is totally up to you whether you have to do it or not. So what you want to do after that is click on that create your link button here at the bottom and let bit.ly handle the rest and turn your long URL or link into a shortened URL with a custom backup. There you go. And now you may click on that button here to share your shortened link with your contacts via direct messaging services, email newsletters, or social media posts to use that shortened link for your personal or commercial projects. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.